Hey there, quick review on this Schumacher battery charger slash jump starter. Now this is going to be a great thing to have around if you need to jump start a vehicle that's got a dead battery and you don't want to hook up another vehicle to it with jumper cables. This, as long as you're close to a power outlet, you can run an extension cord to this and use this to jump start your vehicle. It's also designed to charge your batteries, whether that's maintaining them or charging them up from dead. It's also got a desulfation mode as well for bringing really depleted batteries back to life. As you'll see here, I've got my charger set up to charge my dump trailer battery, which is a really large battery, and it's going to cycle back and forth between telling me the voltage and the percentage of the battery charge. So right now it's telling me 12 volts. It's telling me it's charging right here, and I'm at 100% charged right here. Now I can go down here and select a couple different modes. You'll notice we have our rate selection here on the left. Over here we have battery type. So we can select between our standard battery, AGM, gel, or we also have an option here that'll tell us if we have a bad battery. Now over here, we've got our charging slash maintaining mode right here. 30 amp boost, and then 100 amp engine start. 30 amp boost is going to really quickly infuse the battery with a lot of energy. If you're trying to start a completely depleted battery, you can put it on that 30 amp boost for a few minutes to give it a quick charge, and then, so I just stopped it here. Let me just cycle through this to show you what we've got. So I can be on 30 amp boost here, select start. That's going to quickly infuse the battery with a lot of energy. And then if I want to go down here to 100 amp engine start, that's going to be for jump starting a dead battery. Same thing here. I can select start, it's on. So it is pumping energy to that battery. If this was hooked up to a vehicle, I could then crank it over and then this would act as a jump starter. The thing that I like about this particular model is that it's got a very compact size. It's got a handle. It's very easy to carry around. So if you gotta just keep it up on your workbench for charging a battery like this, or if you need to carry this over to a vehicle, you can pop the hood, set it on your engine block, hook it up, and you're good to go. It's heavy, which means that there's some good stuff in there. Nice heavy duty charger for getting things up and running. But overall, this is a really nice unit, nice and portable. It's got a cord wrap here on the back to keep everything kind of neatly organized. But if you're looking for a good option for charging batteries, maintaining batteries, and jump starting, this would be a great option. When you're all done, the cords do wrap up nicely. You've got a nice little cord area for the power cord on the back, and then you can just kind of feed through the jumper cable cord up on top here and click those to the top handle. It works pretty well.